Emma, let's do our animal sounds, okay? What does a doggy do? And what does a kitty cat do?
No.
What?
No.
Kitty cat.
No.
And what does a cow do?
No.
What does a dinosaur do? What's a dinosaur? What does a dinosaur do? What's the dinosaur do? What does the chicken do, Emma? Chicken bok bok? What about a duck? What about a froggy? Ribbit, ribbit. How do you do froggies? Ribbit, ribbit.
No.
What other animals do you know? Is that a lion? What does a lion do? Roar. And what does a... What?
Thank you.
Thank you?
Thank you.
You're saying thank you for doing animal noises? Can you say hello to everybody? Say hello. Do you know what a horsey does? Good girl. Thank you for doing your animal noises. Oh.